Hey guys, it's Michael. Welcome back to the channel. This is our 2022 Toyota Tundra. And what I have here today is the Silverstone glass cleaner. We'll be cleaning a set of Alpha Rex headlights. The glass cleaner is formulated to be streak free, so after you wipe it, it'll be looking really shiny and really clear. Applying it is really easy. It's just a simple spray on and a wipe. And as you can see, the headlights are looking brand new. Now, the glass cleaner is also really good for cleaning the glass on the doors as well. You can hit the windshield, the side windows, your mirrors. It's also ammonia free, so it's safe on tint. Same process, just simply spray it on and then give it a good wipe. Buff it dry. And again, this formula is safe on tint, so you can spray it on tinted windows, clear windows. It's gonna be absolutely clean, just like that. And finally, you can also use it on taillights. We have our Alpha Rex taillights here. Same process. Hit it with the spray and buff it dry. You can get these at silverstonecarcare.com.